bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan. Bàbá olóyin original, I'm staying at Iyese Ota. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Bàbá olóyin bus stop, Iyese Ota. My phone number, you can see it on the screen. Because the program you are watching today is Kini Show Television. My phone number is 0810-84-31-336. But only WhatsApp messages here. You can send your message. You can send WhatsApp messages as well. We only receive WhatsApp messages here. We don't receive calls on this channel. Please, I beg you. Don't forget I'm the publisher of these books. African Power, Honey as a Medicine, Healing Power of Honey, Solution to Women Problems. I told you about these rules before. It's in African Power, part 1 that we are selling. Today, I want to teach you how you can use honey and melon, egusi, melon that you use to cook your soup. How you can use it to draw customers to your shop. They call it crowd puller. Some churches, they're asking me what they can do that it doesn't affect religion. I said you can use only honey, melon, and small other things. You have a boutique. You have hairdressing salon. You have barbering salon. You have school. After 5 years, you cannot boast of 100 pupils. What you can do? You have a big hotel or restaurant. People are not patronizing you. You are just paying salary for nothing's sake. What you can do? Many people are calling me underground that I should put it in my new book. You know, I told you that people should tell me what they need or what they expect in my new book. My people from Ghana, they call me, and people from the East, they say I should put crowd puller, original crowd puller, my new book. I've done what you want. It's coming in my new book, African Power Part 2, but I will just gist you now. Get seated. Don't forget, if you cannot come to Iyese Ota, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyese Ota, I have a branch in Lagos. You can go to number 4, Alukolaro Street. Number 4, Alukolaro Street, Mushin. You can go to Bariga. We have a branch at Bariga. Number 36, Ilaje Road. Number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. We have branch at Yoshudi. Number 6, Everett Way. Number 6, Everett Way. Behind YTK petrol station. Behind YTK petrol station. Alasia, Oshodi. Very close to Bolade. You can get a boost there and only. Yes. At Mushin, don't forget we have branch at number 4, Alukolaro Street. Number 4, Alukolaro Street. Mushin bus stop. Mushin. At Surulere, go to number 5C. Number 5C, Akerele Street Extension. Akerele Street Extension. Opposite Power Holding. Opposite Power Holding. Akerele Surulere. Akerele Surulere. Or you come to Iyese Ota, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyese Ota. If you are coming from Sango, enter motor or Maruwa that is going to Yanayesi, drop at Yanayesi, cross to the other side of the road. Take a bike or Maruwa, tell them you are going to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Adebisi, Iyese Ota. They will bring you to our office. If you are coming from Mowode, Agbara, Ilaru side, enter motor that is going to Sango Jore. Tell them you are dropping at Yanayesi. At Yanayesi, you see some Okada, you see Maruwa. Tell any of them you are going to Baba Oloyin house, Iyese Ota. They will bring you to my place by the special grace of God. The program you are watching is Kini Show Television. My phone number is on the screen. 0810-84-31-336 is on the screen. Some people will still send message on that comment section. Please, I want your phone number. It's on the screen. You can see it on the screen. Some people on that comment section say, I need your WhatsApp number. I need your phone number. It's on the screen. The phone number you are seeing here is the same thing as the WhatsApp number. Yes. So today, I want to teach you how you can use honey for crowd puller. You get original honey, 1 bottle of original honey, 1 bottle. When you get 1 bottle of original honey, you get melon, egusi. That melon you used to cook your vegetable, you used to cook your soup. You get them together. You dig a hole in your hotel or your shop, small hole. What we had to eat, very important. One other thing, it doesn't cost 200 naira. It doesn't cost you 200 naira. That one thing, it doesn't cost you more than 200 naira. Very common. You will have it to eat. You will have it to eat. When you had it to eat, how you will have that one, the position of that thing that you want to add, how it will look like, you will meet it in my new book, African Power Part 2. Ogun tá fowó sí ẹ̀yìn àrò ló ń gbé. The medicine you don't pay for it, you will not know its value. You will just throw it somewhere else. So when you buy African Power book, how you will do it, the time you will do it is in the book, African Power Part 2, that is coming on the way. Yes. Don't forget, in that same book, Part 2, I told you, you have a runaway wife, runaway husband. How to call the person back. It's coming in the new book, African Power Part 2. I will be sorry, no, I'm not boasting. When we were in the primary school, we used lizard head for loafers ring, Okamudo. Yes, when we were in primary school, I'm not boasting. Yes. Akọ̀yàdé wà bẹ́ẹ̀ bá náà wà náà tí ọ̀dà tá a bá gbin àgbàdo fún tágbàdo yẹn bá ti ń fù ọwọ́ ẹni yẹn ọmọ wú ni. Right from the primary school days. So wait for African Power Part 2. You will see many things there. Very loaded. Many people are calling me. They want to pay in advance. I said they should hold on. They should hold on. Under the comment section, you can see by yourself. You will see how people are requesting for African Power Part 2. See other comment section of every program. People are commenting. Baba, when will the book come out? When will the book be out? And on WhatsApp, more than 20 people will ask for it on WhatsApp every day. African Power Part 2. But the price will be expensive. Yes. Because somebody get court case, you know how much we spend on that. And we put how you can do that. I told you when we were in primary school, if you refuse to do homework, when we use one leaf to rub our face, teacher will not beat us. Yes, that leaf, I've leaked the secret in African Power Part 2. If landlord rejects you and you are unable to get money to rent another house, the landlord will call you. Say, please, I don't fight you again. When you have money, I know you will back outside. Wait for African Power Part 2. You can come to Baboloyin bus stop, Yesota, to buy these books and money. You can go to my agency in the town that I've mentioned before. Don't forget my phone number is on the screen. 08108431336. Don't forget to watch my other channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. And my son channel, Mr. Last Born Comedy Adewusi. Mr. Last Born Comedy Adewusi. Help me subscribe to that channel and watch it. I always feature there. If you watch it, you see me there as well. I always teach some people how they do things. How the same thing I used to do here. I used to post some video there as well. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.